Hi there, my outdoor cooking friends. Today we're on a short hike to a national nature reservoir. It's a small and shallow lake outside the city we live in. It's very famous for its bird life, and there is some jippo over here, so it's probably some nice birds because there are a lot of bird watchers. It looks like they have found something interesting here. I think we will go behind them. Really nice wind shelter here, or wind shield, where a lot of information about this small lake and the wildlife and bird life. You could see it as a mini hike with a purpose for an outdoor meal this evening. Bibi will have a hike on her own with Conrad, our dog. Meanwhile, I prepare for this meal. Okay. Right, I have my Trangia 25 dual sol with me today. And a nice little box from Trangia, the number 209. It's really beautiful evening. I usually like the alcohol burner because it's quiet, but this will be nice. It's a perfect day for an outdoor meal today. We saw on the forecast that it should be raining for about 3 days, so why not go out with the van and have a small meal. So we will have some leftovers. We made some moose veal roast the other day. I got some left from that, so it will be perfect to have a leftover meal outdoors. Okay, we have the heat. And for you that saw my videos from the spring, you know what this is. It's my olive oil with wild garlic or ramslök in. So nice. Some of that oil. This is actually the only spices we will need for this. Okay, I will let that sweat a while. And we have some Hasselback potato left over. And look at this. We just grilled the moose veal steak or roast. So pretty raw in the middle still. Cut up this moose in smaller pieces. This is so tender, so you can't believe it. It's veal. that has been very tendered. We hang it well. Since we have Conrad with us, I think Conrad needs one too. Don't you think so? Tas? Ah. Ligg. Så. Ligg. Ligg. Vänta. Vänta. Varsågod. Need some more of this oil. This is actually the only bottle I have left since the spring. I made 4 of these. But I gave away 3 of them. Hope my friends enjoy them. Okay, I want these to be really soft. That's how I like them, onion and pepper. Before I put in the meat and potato. This is a really nice little box to store your prepared food in, or you can even heat up food in it, your leftovers. Just put it on the gas burner directly. I have a video on that when I heat up some pancakes in it from spring this year. So please have a check on the channel if you like some outdoor cooking, because I have some older videos with that. Or all of them are with the Trangia stoves. Oh, it smells wonderful. Really wonderful. Okay, so while we're waiting for that, we could prepare the dinner bit. Oh, do we have something more here? We have coffee. There's that as well, yes. Titanium spork for Bibi, and the Kupilka one for me. Really nice, actually. Our onion and pepper have softened up, got some color, smells wonderful, and I will have the potato in there as well. This potato is already baked. Prepare for some coffee as well. And this roast or steak was also marinated in that ramson oil and garlic, so it has a lot of taste on it. I really like this dual fry pan. It's probably the best of this fry pan that Trangia have. They have the pure UL aluminium one, and they have the hard anodized one, and they also have a non-stick one, and this dual one as well for the pots. But this is so good to fry in. I have made pancakes and such in it before in other videos, and other stuff. So I actually like this duo salt the best. It's way small, so it depends what you're going to do with it. Our 25 stove, you have that on short hikes and so on, or at the car, or on the ad rides with my motorcycle sometimes if I need this size of stove. Otherwise I go with the smaller stove that is a hardened anodized, and even the Trangia 28 as well, the smaller one, is also most often good enough for me. But this is actually the best material if you don't care about weight. Okay, turn this over. I won't over fry them because they are so nice when they are rare, medium rare, or rare in the middle. That's how we like it, at least. Okay, sunset, and it's time to fill the plates. Start with the meat.
Hey.
Bon appetit, darling.
Thank you.
Det var gott idag med. Du har vatten? Lite grann.
Borde få en bit. Oj.
Han har fått jättemycket.
Ja, det var så.
A really beautiful evening. Oops, we have a boil. Coffee is ready. Nice. It's really cowboy style to have coffee to the meal, but that's good. I have a cinnamon bun as well to eat with it as a small dessert. Really nice. Great evening. Hope you enjoyed this, and bye from us this time.